Welcome to the channel. Today, we're taking a close look at the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Mansory, an ultra-luxurious SUV that blends Rolls-Royce's craftsmanship with Mansory's bold and aggressive styling. This customized version takes exclusivity, power, and presence to an entirely new level. Starting with the exterior, Mansory has completely transformed the Cullinan with a full carbon fiber body kit. The front fascia is more aggressive, featuring a redesigned grille, larger air intakes, and a sportier bumper. The signature Spirit of Ecstasy remains, but the blacked-out or gold-plated options add a unique touch. The widened fenders, carbons, fiber hood, and massive forged wheels, ranging up to 24 inches, enhance its road presence. At the rear, a roof spoiler, diffuser, and quad exhaust tips complete the bold look. Under the hood, Mansory has upgraded the 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, pushing power output beyond 600 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque. This allows the Yeetai-2 Cullinan Mansory to accelerate from 0 to 60 amp in just about 4.5 seconds, impressive for a vehicle of this size and weight. The enhanced exhaust system not only improves performance, but also delivers a deep, commanding sound that matches its aggressive styling. Inside, the customization reaches new heights with the finest materials and bespoke detailing. Every surface is wrapped in premium leather, Alcantara, and carbon fiber accents. The seats feature unique stitching patterns, and the Starlight headliner extends with additional ambient lighting options. Mansory offers nearly limitless personalization, from custom embroidery to exclusive color combinations. The rear seats provide first-class comfort with reclining functions, massaging features, and a state-of-the-art infotainment system. Technology remains top-tier, with Rolls-Royce's advanced infotainment system, a premium 3D sound system, and a suite of driver assistance features. The digital gauge cluster and center touchscreen are seamlessly integrated, providing both luxury and functionality. Rear passengers enjoy individual entertainment screens, a champagne cooler, and retractable picnic tables for the ultimate VIP experience. On the road, the Cullinan Mansory offers a surprisingly dynamic driving experience. The upgraded suspension system provides a balance between supreme comfort and improved handling. The all-wheel drive system ensures stability in all conditions, while the enhanced brakes and aerodynamics make it feel more responsive than the standard model. Despite the added aggression, the ride remains smooth and refined, as expected from Rolls-Royce. Pricing for the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Mansory varies depending on customization, but it easily surpasses the $600,000 mark, making it one of the most exclusive SUVs on the market. With its bold styling, enhanced power, and bespoke craftsmanship, this is the ultimate luxury SUV for those who want to stand out. That's our review of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Mansory. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose this over a stock Cullinan or other ultra-luxury SUVs? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more high-end car reviews. See you in the next video.